Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're diving into the amazing ways plants create new life. So here's a puzzle for you. Plants can't move, right? So how do they spread and reproduce? Well, they've come up with two brilliant master plans for survival, often getting a little help. So we'll look at their cloning strategy, their gene mixing one, and then check out the big payoff. Okay, first up, asexual reproduction. Basically, it's the art of making a perfect copy. It's when a new plant grows from just one parent. It's an identical clone and no seeds are involved. You know a potato's eyes? They're actually buds that can grow into a whole new identical plant. Mint does something similar. It sends out these runners along the ground, sprouting clones everywhere. And get this, some plants, like Bryophyllum, can even grow tiny new plantlets right from their leaves. All right, so that's cloning. Now for strategy 2, sexual reproduction. Think of it as a genetic lottery. Here, genes from two parents fuse together, creating a totally unique new plant inside a flower. And the flower is the whole machine for this. You've got the male stamen with pollen and the female pistil. But of course, for this to work, pollen has to travel from the stamen to the pistil. That's pollination. It can happen within the same flower or between two different plants, which really mixes up the genes. So what's the real difference between these plans? To see it clearly, let's go back to the potato. Okay, cloning a potato from a tuber. It's fast, it's reliable, and you get an exact copy. But sexual reproduction creates all this variety. Every single seed is a unique genetic mix. So you see the trade-off, right? It's speed and reliability versus variety and adaptation. One strategy gives you stability right now. The other gives you tools to evolve and fight disease later. So neither one is better. They're both brilliant solutions that help plants thrive all over the earth. Which leaves you with a question. Which do you think is smarter? A perfect copy or unique creation?